How to password protect specific WhatsApp chat on iPhone using Face ID. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that you run on the latest version of the WhatsApp app. Go to your App Store on your iPhone, tap on it. Then make sure if the WhatsApp is having updated like this, make sure you run on the latest version of WhatsApp. So once you've updated your WhatsApp to the latest version, now go to the WhatsApp, tap on it. Once you tap on it, then locate the specific WhatsApp you want to password. Tap on this. Now that I've tapped on it, it open like this. Tap on the name at top of the screen. It brings to this interface. Then scroll up a bit until you see lock chats. Lock and hide this chat on this device. Tap on it to toggle this on. Then it comes out like this. Tap on continue. Once tap on continue, to require your Face ID. Tap on OK to lock it. Now once this button is turned to green, is enabled, then tap back here, then tap back. Now you discover that particular WhatsApp is not here again. Then scroll down a bit until you see the locked chat. Tap on it again. Then it requires your Face ID to unlock it. Then you have access to the WhatsApp here. Then you can now tap on it and start chatting with this. So this is a simple process on how to password protect specific WhatsApp chat on iPhone using Face ID. If you get this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.